What spring summer crochet wearable will you make this year? Let me show you some categories and ideas that might inspire you. Something that I think is really cool when it comes to crochet wearables is knowing that a machine cannot replicate crochet. So whenever you see something that was crocheted, that item had to be hand crocheted by somebody, which is so incredibly special and adds a different element to that wearable that really no other textile can touch. In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 different crochet wearables that you can make this spring or summer that are going to be very popular. They are not in any particular order. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started with number 1, and that is crochet sweaters. Yeah, that's right. I said crochet sweaters for spring or summer. They're just a must-have this spring. They're versatile, they're comfortable, they're stylish. There's so many different ways that you can personalize them. You can play with different patterns and different styles, different colors, really make it your own. One of the most popular styles for spring this year is going to be the oversized crochet sweater. This style it's perfect for layering over a tank top or a t-shirt. You're going to see this being extremely popular with teenagers or the early adult crowd. The boxy shape and loose fit, it just makes it comfortable and easy to wear. And when it comes to the patterns that I'm seeing are using very basic crochet stitches, a lot of half double crochet stitches, double crochet stitches. They're really just enjoying the process of making the project, which I think is amazing. When it comes to colors, pastels are really going to be popular this spring, neutrals for sure, but honestly, it's your wearable, so use whatever color you think looks best on you and you enjoy the most. Number 2, crochet dresses. And I've seen these the level of complexity all over the spectrum, from very difficult, detailed, definitely designer crochet dresses, all the way to extremely simple, beginner-friendly patterns where all they do is really use a mesh or net crochet stitch to make their panels, their dress. These are usually larger projects, which makes them very impressive to look at because you know a lot of work went into them, but that doesn't mean they have to be difficult. I've also seen some other crochet wearables where it was a crop top and skirt combo that could kind of look like a dress, but the bold colors are so cute and I just can see so many people wearing that this season. Number 3, granny squares and denim. The retro comeback from the 70s. All right, okay. So there are different ways that I'm seeing this, both granny squares that have been joined together and then some addition of denim being added to the project, either being sewn onto the project or the granny squares actually being attached to the denim, whether it's a denim jacket, denim skirt, denim pants, all over the place. There is no restriction. I've also seen some designer pieces where the crocheted granny square worked up as a sleeve and then the designer sewed denim as the cuff and then you had the actual denim jacket itself. Let's take a quick break from crochet wearables for a second and talk crochet accessory pieces. Coming in at number 4, the crochet bag. It's functional and super cute. Lots of different shapes and sizes, from the small clutch to the large tote bag. I've seen them made with granny squares, solids, all sorts of different crochet patterns and textures and fibers. You can have a lot of fun with a crochet bag. One of the most popular crochet bags this spring is going to be the bucket bag. It's a tote bag, big enough to carry all of your essentials in, but it has a bohemian chic look to it, which is very stylish, will go with most outfits, and is super cute. Coming in at number 5 are crochet hats. Whether it's the beanie or the sun hat, crochet hats have always been popular all year round. For a summer beanie, we are looking at something lightweight, thin, and we'll just take that chill off. Last but not least, category number 6 is probably my favorite, crocheted tops and bottoms. So we're going to be seeing a lot of crochet tank tops and crop tops this spring and summer. Some of my favorite are this granny square one right here. It looks just so simple. It's just a granny square that has some straps added to the top. Easy to do. I might even play with color making that. And then this top right here, which blew me away, this designer top, which is crocheted flowers and leaves that have been sewn together by overlapping them to cover surface area. Brilliant idea, so beautiful. Crochet shorts are a no-brainer, very easy, comfortable to wear. Just make sure you choose a crochet fiber that you're going to like lounging about in. And last but not least, the cover-up. We're gonna see a lot of cover-ups during swimsuit season when everyone needs something to throw on that's breezy, airy, because it's hot outside. You don't wanna overly cover up, but you also want something that's comfortable. The cover-up is perfect, super flattering, and going to be absolutely amazing when it's hot outside. Crocheted wearables can be styled in so many different ways. Allow the crochet piece to be the star of the show, the center of attention. Be careful not to overdo it. If you have too many crochet pieces that you're wearing at once, it just gets lost and people can't appreciate all of the different details and aspects of what you got going on, what you're wearing. So allow just one crocheted piece at a time so that way people can hone in visually on what they're seeing and appreciate the work. We just went over 6 different categories of spring summer crochet wearables that you can make this year. Let me know in the comment section below which project you would like to see me do a tutorial on this summer. I'm going to tally up the votes, and the most popular project that people would like to see a tutorial on, I will make. Make sure to do all the things, guys. Like, subscribe, check out my crochet club on my website, crochetwithtiffany.com. There you can share your pictures and talk all things crochet. It's amazing, and I hope you give it a try. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you have the best day, and I'll see you with the next one. Bye, guys.